DateValue function converts a date in the form of text to a number that represents the date in Microsoft Excel datetime code. This function has only one argument. In dateText argument, type the date or select the cell reference that contains date. Click Cancel. Active this cell. Click datetime arrow button. Click DateValue function. In dateText box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns value error because you have entered date as a number. Enter date as a text string. Press delete key. Click DateValue function. Type date as a text string. Enter quote mark. Type March 14, 2019. Again enter quote mark. Click OK. Function returns date in a number. This number is basically the number of days. Excel starts calculating number of days from date January 1st, 1900 to March 14, 2019. Now active this cell. Click DateValue function. Type date as a text string. Enter quote mark. Type 23 September. Again enter quote mark. Click OK. Function returns date in a number with current year 2019 as according to your computer clock. In this way, DateValue function is used in an Excel worksheet.